This is the hot end and the filament is stuck inside this, and there is no way that you can pull this out. So in this case you have to come up with a different way to take this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat a pin to some temperature, and I'm going to put that inside this, and once it solidifies, we're going to pull it out. So this is how I'm heating it right now. It's not the most recommended way, but you can get this done in your house itself. So heat this up, and once you put it inside the small hole, you can try pulling it out. It might not work in the first attempt, but it might work in the second or the third attempt. So it took me around 3 attempts to do this. So there, as you can see, there should be there's a small piece that was stuck here, but then later I found out that there was a bigger piece inside the hot end. So what we can do is we can unscrew the bottom half, and once you unscrew this, you can actually see the entire filament stuck here. So if this is what is happening, then you can just get a plier or something and just try to pull this. So this was also pretty much stuck, and it was very difficult to pull. So I think it took me around 1 or 2 attempts also to pull this out. So it's a bit loose now. So when I pull it again, it comes off easily. So as you can see, these are I just separated the hot end, and this is the part that was stuck inside the hot end.